The South Goa Collectorate and the Election Commission Office convened a meeting with political parties to discuss a special summer revision on Friday. The addition and deletion of names in voting list was discussed. This included a discussion on postal ballots. Mock polls too were conducted. Meeting of representatives of political parties was conducted by South Goa Additional Collector Sanjit Rodriguez at South Goa Collectorate. Out of 10 parties, only representatives of 3 parties, Congress, BJP and Goa Forward, were present. Postal voting for senior citizens above 80 years, persons with disabilities and COVID patients were discussed. Goa Forward Vice President said bogus names and persons succumbed to COVID would be deleted.
This was a meeting just to interact with political parties as far as summary revision of rolls which is ongoing for this month of November. So we updated the political parties with our special campaign dates, how our summary revision would take place, and sought their cooperation for smooth conduct of this revision of rules. It went well. We have intimated all political parties present and briefed them on all types of forms wherein the electors have to fill to get their names added, shifted, changed, deleted. Effort is gone on to clear up the roll, clean the roll properly.
After rationalization process, now the next step was adding voters, deletion and correction in the roll. So after the rationalization process, the voters have reduced from 1,500 to within 1,000. In some booths there are around 600 to 800 voters. So in that, the forms were given to us and explained to us how do we add, delete and do correction if required. And also in past COVID there were many people who have passed away. So we need to clean the roll also. Cleaning does not sound good, but we have to remove those names. So that was one of the agenda. Also, they have come up with for the PWD, person with disabilities, they can vote by ballot. Person above 80 also can vote by ballot. And also who will be COVID positive, they will also be given a chance to vote through ballot if they don't want to come to the booth. They inform us regularly of what is added and deleted. They send us email fortnightly. It's a good thing. Today there is a process of mock poll which is going on in every. We had randomly chosen around 20 machines by each parties, and in the 20 machines, 1,200 mock polls is going on right now.
Meeting only with regards to summary revision start झाला November 1st to November 30th, inclusion and deletion of names, and this is an important thing कारण probably this is the last time before polls are held, the major revision is held. And after that one supplementary will come, that is later on, but then the major addition deletion of the voter rolls has started from November 1st. So the South Goa Collectoran meeting call केल्ली की जे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आसा आनी ताणें आपले कॅन्डिडेट प्रॉस्पेक्टिव्ह कॅन्डिडेटांक सांगचे विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द वोटर रोल्स आनी अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ BLAs. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीसांक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिला की BLAs अपॉइंट करचे बूथ वायज आनी फॉर्म दिला. आनी ऑल्सो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हॅज टू ऑथरायज वन ऑफ द ऑफिस bearer to appoint BLAs. So the party president will have to sign one form. We will have to submit it to the South Collector. So revision starts zala. So they have told us, requested us to keep a check. And I think South Goa Collectorate and the entire team is doing a good job. And आमचे ऑफिसान, our office is fully cooperating, and our Margam office at Goenkargarh have started inclusion of names of new rolls, new voters. And आम्ही थंय एक ड्राइव घेतला की we have started enrolling youngsters as a new voter, and we are doing it online. We have done it paperless, so that makes it easy for the South Goa Collectorate also to process. See, this will continue till 30th of November, post which we will have a meeting. From yesterday we have started getting emails every day of inclusion and deletion. Every day we are getting emails from the Mamledas, respective Mamledas of the respective areas. की आज हे डिलीट जालें आनी हें एड जालें म्हणून. So a cumulative meeting will be held post 30th and this roll will go for printing and January to publish जातलो मागीर first week. See, bogus names, everything is going to get deleted. Also they have said that those people who have expired due to COVID, their drive is they will take out a drive to delete those names also कारण miss out जावंक जायना म्हणून. आनी 80+ voterank they will form a team where they can vote from at the house. घरा 80+ age जी आसा तांच्यांनी this is the main thing which they did not come to the booth to vote. तांकां एक टीम आसतली election commission which will go to the house with a ballot, postal ballot, and they can vote from house 80+ 80 senior citizens 80+ जे आसा तांकां. So this is also I think good initiative and each booth they have come limited it to 1000 voters.
Sandeep Toyekar for Gua 365 from Margao.